Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to add money in Roblox using a simple and secure method. First of all, open the Roblox app and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the app, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the Robux icon. This will take you to the purchase section where you can see different Robux packages available for buying. Next, choose the amount of Robux you want to add. The app will then show you the price and the payment method linked with your account. If you already have a payment method set up, just tap on the buy button to continue. If you don't, the app will guide you to add one like a debit card, credit card, or another supported method. After that, you may be asked to verify the purchase with a password, fingerprint, or a PIN depending on your device setting. Once the verification is done, your payment will be processed and Robux will be added to your account within a few seconds. Also, keep in mind that Robux purchases are non-refundable, so always double check the amount and price before confirming. Finally, once the payment is successful, go back to the home screen and you will see your Robux balance updated at the top. You can now use your Robux to buy items, game passes, or even customize your avatar. And that's it. Now you know how to add money in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. And make sure to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.